Hi guys, this is Geek Girl at Heart here again. I'm gonna do this one last video and then I won't be doing many videos for the next couple of weeks just because sadly at the moment I have a family member who is currently, basically put the word, she's dying. And I need to deal with all that. So that's what's going to happen. So this is going to be last video for a little while. So I ordered online a Pokemon TCG, a Pokemon Team Up Sun and Moon booster box. Wanted to do this because I'm hoping to get some good pulls. I've already opened it, so you can see this is what the original one looks like. The packaging has a Pokeball on it with the words Pokemon, so when you go online, be careful where you're getting them from. If you want genuine sellers, go on to places like Chaos Cards, Hill Cards, Magic Thing. Go on to Amazon do them, and you get genuine cards and everything. So I've got quite a few packets. I'm going to quickly sort these out into their different ones from one side, and then we'll do the other side in a couple of minutes. So let's see what we've got. So be back in a couple of seconds, guys. So I've done the right hand side and I've separated them into their different things. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of the Pokemon Pikachu and Zekrom. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of Haunter and Mimikyu. Oh no, is it Ghastly? No, Haunter. And is it Gengar? Gengar and one of the two. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Celebi Venusaur, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Snorlax and Eevee, which is my favourite one. So those two are going to go last, and then we're going to go with the smaller packets first. So I'm just going to get my scissors and cut the tops off this to make it easier and not cut the cards. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. So hi guys, I've come back and I've cut open the pack tops on all the packets just to make my life a bit easier. So I'm just going to move this. So we're going to start with our first 2 packets. So there's the code card. There we go. And we do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay. We have Energy, Omnite, Water Memory, another Golduck, Cosmog, Magikarp, Zora, Larvitar, Psyduck, Nita. We got a reverse holographic Nita, so that's quite a good one. And our rare is a Alolan Marowak, so that's quite good. So quickly sleeve those up for you guys. There we go. Okay, packet number 2. So we have another green code. Camera focus. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a Energy. Have a Tentacle. Return Label, Nidorina, Staryu, Litten, Zora, Weedle, Joltik. We have a Prism Black Market, which is our rare, and we have an Alolan Golem as our rare as well. So quickly sleeve the Prism up. Okay, so we've got our Prism, our Alolan. On. Sorry guys, this thing's gonna move. Okay, next packet. Okay, so we got a white and green card, so you can tell the difference when you get good packs. So green card you get reverse hollows. Apparently with a white and green card you get a really good card. So let's cross fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the front. Oh, did I do that upside down? Yeah. So we have a Energy, Helios, Jasmine, Judge Whistle, Nidoran, Magikarp, Poochyena, Alolan Geodude, Bronzer. We have a reverse holographic Geodude, common, and our rare goes to a Omastar, non-holographic. I thought there would be a good one in that one, so maybe. Okay, last Haunter and Mimikyu packet, so cross fingers. So we have another white and green card. I'm trying to keep these cards because I'm trying to get onto this TCG online, but I'm having a few issues at the moment. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a Dark Energy, Taurus, Torracat, Kabuto, Squirtle, Bronzor, Klefki's, Pidgey, a we have a Emolga, sorry guys, we have a reverse holographic Rapidash, and we have a normal rare, oh no, it's a reverse holo rare Gyarados. So that's quite cool, so glad we got those. I like Rapidash, that's my favourite Pokemon out of all of them. So I'll put the prisms, put the yellow then. So we want to pull a GX one. So next packet is Pikachu and Zekrom. So we have another green card. There you go, guys. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. I won't keep showing you the tricks. So we have a Fire, Kabuto, Nidorino, Fairy Charm, Emolga, Mareep, Vulpix, Joltik, Blitzel, reverse holographic, Judge Whistle, and a Nidoqueen. Reverse rare, which I've already got that one, so. That's good. Okay, next one. So we've got 3 more packets of that. So Another green code, guys, so I should give you the code. Someone said in the comments not to bother with the codes, but I'd rather give them to people because there might be people that need them. Okay, we have a Leaf, Farfetch, a Lowland Graveler, Brock's Grit, Geodude, Bronzor, Dratini, Tentacle, Ponyta, a reverse holographic Sharkery, and another Pidgeot. I've got like mountains of those. We'll still sleeve it up, and then if it's one I've already got, I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to sleeve that. I might not sleeve the Nidoqueen either, because I've already got that one, so they can go into the pile for the thing. Right, 2 more packets. Oh. Another green code, guys. So we're not getting any very good pulls from this side. No GXs so far. 2, 3, 4. So we have a Dark Energy, Water Memory, Umbronite, Kangaskhan, Larvitar, Meowth, Nidoran, Mareep, Ferroseed, Ingo and Emmet reverse holographic, and a different artwork of a rare Zebra Strike. So I'm going to keep those 2 because I quite like those ones, especially the Zebra Strike. I don't have that sort of one. I'm planning to try and get as many things and send them off to Thing. So last packet of the Pikachu and Nectaron. Oh, hold on. Pull the cards out. Green card. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, too far. Okay, we have a Energy, Judge Whistle, Cosmon, Persian, Panward, Lowland Geodude, Mankey, Pancham, Ferroseed, a reverse holographic Grimer, and a non-holographic rare Starmie. I've got the Grimer already, I think. So we're on to my favourite packs, the Venusaur and Celebi and the Snorlax and Eevee. So we'll go by that, and then maybe the next one we'll just go by what they're in instead of putting them separately. So another green card, guys. I'm going to show you. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a Fighting, Diana, Spiritomb, Viridian Forest, Vullaby, Weedle, Heliotal, Execute, Ferroseed. We have a reverse holographic Duranchi, and we have a rare non-holographic Mighty Hyena, which I haven't got that one, so that's quite good. Some of these I do have, some of these I don't have. I'm very tempted to actually make up a eBay page soon and start selling all the ones that I've got that I don't need anymore. These are all my cards that I've got as repeats. So I'm going to get rid of all my rubbish. Make sure you always recycle your rubbish, guys. Help the planet. Keep that going. Okay. So Bulbasaur, Venusaur, Bulbasaur, another green card. I'm not going to do the things on thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire, Cosmon, Persian, Lavender Town, Dratini, Tentacle, Ponyta, Alolan Grimer, Cosmog, Reverse Holographic Starry, and a Mandibuzz, which I've already got. Star Me, so we've got 2 Starmies, which is pretty cool. So next one. Another green code. Okay, 1, 3, 4. So I'm just going to sit on the bed a bit better. Right. Fire. Hold on, sorry. Kakuna, Buff Padding, Spiritomb, Blitzel, Paras, Volibee, Pidgey, Hondarge, a reverse holographic Zorak, and a rare non-holographic Mimikyu, which I really like him. I think he's really sweet until you get the scary bit in the movie. So quickly sleeve those 2 up, and then we'll get on to the next one. I like that reverse holo of Zorak, that's my favourite as well. Okay. Another green code. So I might not do the card trick anymore. Energy, Sabrina's Suggestion, Graveler, Nita, Grimer, Pontea, Cosmog, Voltorb, a reverse holographic Pancreas, and a rare non-holo Nidoking. So okay guys, we've got a green and white code. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, does this feel? Feels a bit weighty. So we have a Fairy Charm, Charmeleon, Morgan, Fluffy, Vulpix, Joltik, Blitzel, Squirtle, Tentacle, reverse holographic Meowth, and a holographic rare Articuno, which is really pretty. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of the Eevee and Snorlax left. Hopefully we get some good pulls. So there's a green and white code. 1, 2. Yeah! Sorry guys, had to pause that. So we have a Metal, Nita, Taurus, Torracat, Voltorb, Klefki, Charmander, Mankey, Litten, a reverse holographic Omastar, and a Hooper GX rare, guys. That's lovely. Look at the artwork on that. So that's going to get sleeved up. Sorry guys, I'm back. Just had a parcel delivered. I think that's one of my other things. So Right, and sorry, going to put that. Oh, another white code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not looking at these before I do it. Fairy, Pulpiter, Electrocharger, Charmeleon, Grimer, Cosmog, Litten, Grimer, Execute, Reverse Holographic Zapdos, and oh my god, I got my favourite card. Oh, I love that. Oh, I wanted that one since I got the other Alolan Ninetales. So we have a Alolan Ninetales rare reverse holo. Oh, that's going in sleeves. Those two are going in sleeves. I've wanted one of those. I love the Alolan Ninetales. I think that's absolutely gorgeous card. Okay, next one. Oh, back to green codes. Oh, and not pulling the cards out of the packet. So we have the green code. There we go. There's your green code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So Fighting, Helios, Sabrina's Suggestion, Torracat, Charmander, Healer-type, Mankey, Vulpix, Pancham, Reverse Holographic Kangaskhan, and a non-holographic rare Beedrill. Okay. So we've got some good pulls so far. Not many GXs, but I'm thinking maybe they might be on the other one. So let's see. Okay, another green code, guys. You can see. Team up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a Water Energy, Lavender Town, Nidorino, Dangerous Drill, Pidgeot, Charmander, Staryu, Litten, Zora, Nidoqueen, Reverse Rare, and a Alolan Executor, non-holographic rare. Okay. Okay, last pack. Come on, guys. This is the last pack on the right side of the box. So hopefully, oh, we have a white and card. So cross fingers. So let's see. Hopefully we can get a GX that's really good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a Fire, Spiritomb, Helios, Jasmine, Meowth, Nidoran, Larvitar, Psyduck, another Vulpix, Reverse Rare Mimikyu, and we've got a Ordinary GX Incineroar. So I've got the Rainbow Rare version of this. So this is good. So I've got the normal one. So let's sleeve up these two. And we'll go through the side that we've got. So we have a Alolan Executor, Beedrill, Nidoking, Mimikyu, Mandibuzz, Mighty Hyena, Starmie, Zebra Strike, Nidoqueen, Pidgeot, Omastar, and a Alolan Golem and a Alolan Marowak. So these are all rares, non-holographics. So our reverse holographics is a Mimikyu, Nidoqueen, Kangaskhan, Zapdos, Omastar, Meowth, Paras, Zorak, Starmie, Duranchi, Grimer, Ingo and Emmet, Sharkmarie, Judge's Whistle, Rapidash, Alolan Geodude, and Anita. So we've got quite a few there. Other one is a Star Prism Black Market, which is really, really nice. Haven't got that one. Got a few prisms, but I haven't got this one. The other one is our rare holographic Alolan Ninetales, Articuno, and a Gyarados, which is really cool. So I'm going to put those all there. And our two GXs is a Hooper GX and a Incineroar GX. So these are rares. I think they're ultimate rares or rares, I think so, but anyway. So we got a good little pull from the right hand side of the box. I'm going to do the left hand side, but I'm not going to sort through it. As you can see, I'm just going to leave it as is, but I'm going to cut the tops off and then come back after I've sorted out all the piles you can see there of ones that I've got and sort them out. So I'll come back in a couple minutes, guys. See you in a minute. Right, so hi guys, we're back. So I'm going to quickly open all these packets up and quickly go through it. I'm not going to do the card trick, so there's the thing, because it's taking a bit of time, and I've got another box to open up. So we have a Weedle, Joltik, Blitzel, Paras, Wallaby, Reverse Holographic, Ferroseed, and a Gengar Mimikyu. So we have a Hitmon, Dragonair, and an unidentified Fossil. So there are normals. So quickly sleeve up the ones that we got. So okay. Tag green code. So we have a Magikarp, Executor, Helitype, Meowth, Nidoran, Reverse Hollow, Zora, and an Alolan Mark. And the others are Fairy Charm, Nidoran, yeah. So we're just going to quickly sleeve these ones up. I've already got a Zora. I'm just going to put them in a pile and then I'll do them later. So I have a green code. So right, so we've got Larvitar, Psyduck, Vulpix, Panwind, Alolan Geodude, we have a Nidorino, and we have Blastoise Hydro. So already got that one, and I don't think I've got that one. So we got we got a Pokemon Communication and Hitmonlee and Pulpita. So green card again. There you go, code. I might actually stop showing the codes in a minute. I'm just going to go quickly through them. Nadu, Hondage, Nidoran, Magikarp, Poochyena, Golduck Reverse Hollow, which I've already got. And we have a rare Pangoro, normal, Psychic, Rapidash, Evelyn, and Nanu. Okay, right. think I'll sleeve them all up later. Got another team up. So we have a Meowth, a Alolan Geodude, Grimer, Pidgey, Bronzor. We have a reverse holographic Mareep and a non-holographic rare Durantry. Okay. And the same normal ones. We haven't got any other difference, so it's the same packet. Another card, white and green. So we have a Mankey, Pancham, Ferroseed, Pidgeot, Charmander, a reverse holographic Staryu and a Mr. Mime GX, and the same ones. GXs are the only ones I'm going to sleeve quickly because I don't want those getting damaged. They're more important. Right. Green code this time. So we have a Squirtle, Tentacle, Panoras, Panwind, Staryu, Brock's Grip, Reverse Holo, and an Alolan Exeggutor. Senji, Wolftar, same as before. Green and white code. So we have Pidgey, Emolga, Magikarp, Execute, reverse holographic reverse holographic Electrode, and a rare non-holographic Charizard, which I think I've got that one already, and none of the same. Green code. So we have a Exeggutor, Ferroseed, Meowth, Geodude, Grimer, Jinx, reverse holographic, and we have a Zebra Strike rare, so that's going to go back into the Fluffy, Jinx, and a Kangaskhan. So we've got some of the same. Okay. Right, good green code. Team up code card. So we have a Pidgey, Dratini, Panwind, Grimer, Pontea, reverse holo,